Hello children, welcome to the virtual class presented by Jet Kids. So dear student, we are going to see class 2 English period, okay, and in this English period we are going to discuss about the grammar topic, okay. And what is the name of our today's topic? So see, our today's topic is lesson number 10. We are going to start in this video, and the name of the lesson number 10 is I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Actually, what are these? These are the pronouns, okay, but the word pronoun is not, they have not used here, okay, but you have to keep into mind that these words are the pronouns. So I, we, you, he, she, it, they, we are going to discuss in detail. So this is the name of our topic or the name of our lesson. So let us start with our exercise. Let's get started, okay. So see, okay, so see, this is the let's get started activity, okay. So read this conversation between Minnie and her mother. So see, one beautiful picture they have given to us, okay. In the corner Minnie is there and her mother is there, and their conversation is there. So they are talking with each other, and their talk is called as conversation. Conversation means what? When two persons are talking, or more than two persons are talking to each other, then the sentence is called as the conversation, okay. Whatever we are talking, it is called as conversation, okay. So let us see, so what they are talking, okay. So see, Minnie said, okay, what Minnie said? I made a new friend. His name is Harry. Harry is in my class. Harry likes to play cricket. I repeat the sentences. See, Minnie said, I made a new friend, okay. His name is Harry. Harry is in my class. Harry likes to play cricket, okay. So see, what did Minnie use in this? She used the word Harry or the name of her friend in every sentence. So we are not using a name of any person again and again. So see, what is her mother is speaking to her, okay. So see, mother said. Now what did Minnie's mother is saying to her? Mother said, why are you saying the name Harry twice? Means why you are using the name twice, Harry, okay. So let me correct it and say it for you, okay. You should say, he is in my class. He likes to play cricket, okay. So what Minnie's mother told to her, that we should not repeat the name of any person again and again. So instead of that word, we can use another words like he, she, it, etc. So Harry is a boy, so what can Minnie say? Minnie can say like that, or she should say, he is in my class and he likes to play cricket, okay. So write the word. Now what you have to do? There is one question for you, okay. Write the word which Minnie's mother uses instead of Harry. So which word Minnie's mother used instead of Harry? So let us write the word he, okay. So she used the word he, and he is the pronoun. See, pronouns are the words which we use instead of nouns. So see, we use words like I, we, you, he, she, it, they in place of naming words, okay. We can use these words in place of naming words, okay. And these words are the words which are written in a yellow ink. They are printed in a yellow ink. They are pronouns, okay. And they we can use instead of nouns, okay. We use them when we talk about the same person or thing many times. When we talk about the same person, okay, again and again, then we can use these words, okay. Or we can talk about the things many times. That time also we can use like it, okay. Suppose I have a green bottle, okay, and then I will not say again green bottle. So what I will say, in that water, it is a beautiful water. It is a colorful bottle, okay. It can hold 2 liter of water, like this. So I am using the word it instead of green bottle. So I hope you understood this, okay children. So let us see the next part. And what is that? So see, Some children are playing in the park, and what you have to do, you have to read the following sentences to know what they are talking about. Okay, so some children are playing in the park, and we have to read the sentences which is related to that topic and what they are talking. So we have to see this thing. Okay, so see. Okay, so see, this is a beautiful picture of a park, and these are the sentences and what they are talking. So let us see. Okay, so now see, look at the bird. Okay, look at the bird. Okay, it has such a colorful wings. Okay, look at the bird, it has such a colorful wings. Raman is upset with you. Second sentence is, Raman is upset with you, he will not play with you. Okay, and the next sentence is, hey, stop, you run too fast, you run too fast, we like to come to this park, we like to come to this park. Oh, look, she is running after the butterfly. Oh, look, she is running after the butterfly. So see, student, what you have to observe here. So see, look at the bird. First sentence they use the word bird is there, and in the second sentence it has colorful wings. So instead of bird they use the word it. Okay, second sentence is, Raman is upset with you, he will not play with you. So instead of Raman, in the second sentence they use the word he. Number 3, hey, stop, you run too fast. So instead of taking the name of the second person, means you, the word you is used. Okay, we like to come to this park. We, instead of taking the names of all the children, they use the word we. Oh, look, she is running after the butterfly. So in this, the word she is used instead of the name of the girl. So see the picture. Okay, the children are playing and they are talking in this way. Okay, so let us see how we are going to use these words properly. Okay, so I, we, you, he. Okay, so these are the words which we have to, where we have to use in this slide. We are going to learn this. I. So I is used for talking about oneself. I is used for talking about oneself, means we have to talk about, suppose if I want to talk about myself, then what I will say. Okay, what I will say. So see, children, if I want to talk about myself, then I will say, I am a teacher. Okay, my name is Nilima and I am a teacher, I am a woman. Okay, I like this, I like that, etc. So I am using, instead of my name, I am using the word I. So when we can use I, we can use when we are talking about oneself, means about us, about her. So now the next word is we. We is used for talking about others including oneself. We is used for talking about others including oneself. When I, means if I am there and with me other people are there, then we can use the word we. Then I can use the word we. Okay, so next is you. You is used for the person or the people. You is used for the person or the people one is talking to. Suppose I am talking to you, so what I am using the word you for one also and for many also. But if the front person is talking to the second person, then okay, so we can use the word you. He is used for a boy or a man. So this is a very simple thing, that he is used for a boy or a man. Now let us see the next words which we are going to use. Okay, so the word she. She is used for a girl or a woman. Okay, so she is used for a girl or a woman. Okay, now the next word is it. It is used for an animal also or a thing. So for animal, thing, or for baby also we can use it sometimes when we don't know the gender. That time also we can use the word it. Okay, then the next word is they, and they is used when there are many people or of things. Okay, the many people or things. Here is a mistake, it should not be of, it should be or. Okay, so I am correcting this mistake, so it should be or. Okay, here it should be or. Okay, so see, they is used when there are many people or things. Okay, so in this way we are going to use the these letters like I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So let us see the exercise A, which we are going to solve here. Okay, so see, Number 1. Okay, so see what is the number 1. So exercise A, fill in the blanks with the correct words. With the correct words we are going to fill the blanks. Number 1, there is a garbage on the floor. Please throw. For garbage, what word we are going to use in bracket? They or it, in the dustbin. So the garbage, for garbage we are going to use the word it. There is a garbage on the floor, please throw it in the dustbin. So let us write the answer, it. Okay. Number 2, this house belongs to Sham, lives here with his parents or grandparents. So this house belongs to Sham. So for Sham, what we are going to use the word? Yes, we are going to use the word he. Okay, because Sham is the name of the boy or person or man, so he lives here with his parents and grandparents. Okay, so obviously name of boy we are going to use the word he. Okay, so let us see the next sentence is number 3. Okay, so see what is the number 3 sentence. So see, Radha is a good dancer. Okay, see this is a beautiful picture of a Radha. Okay, Radha is a good dancer. Blank dances in the school function every year. Okay, so dances in the school function every year, in bracket I or she. For the girl Radha, okay, what we are going to do? We are going to use the word she. She dances in the school function every year. Okay, so let us see the next sentence, number 5. Okay, so see, my friend is calling me. am going to the park to play cricket. So in front of am we are always using I. Okay, means am verb we generally use in front of I only. Okay, so here it should be I, and my friend is calling me. Calling me means I. Okay, so I am going to the park to play cricket with him. So the I word is the correct answer. Okay, now the next sentence is what? My friends and I play Ludo. My friends and I play Ludo today are coming to my house to play. Okay, so for my friends, what? So these are the plural, so they it should be. Okay, so they are coming to my house, okay, to play. So in this way you have to solve this exercise. Now let us see the exercise B. So what is the exercise B? See, fill in the blanks with I, we, you, he, she, it or they. Fill in the blanks with I, we, you, he, she, it or they, means these are the pronouns which we are generally using instead of nouns. Okay, so number 1 sentence is, my uncle lives in Bhopal, okay, plays hockey for the Indian hockey team. So see here in this sentence the person who is my uncle. Okay, so my uncle means uncle, about uncle we are talking. So uncle is a person who is male, so is the name of man. Okay, so for man we are going to use the word he. He plays, okay, hockey for the Indian hockey team, and dash want to be a hockey player like him. We are, so I am talking about my uncle. Yes, so the person is I want to be hockey player like him. Okay, so the next fill in the blank is I want to be a hockey player like him. Okay, like uncle. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this fill in the blanks. Let us see the next blank. Okay, that is number 2, number 3, number, okay, and the number 4. Okay, so these are the blanks. So see, number 2, Sunil is having an ice cream. Okay, is orange in color, is cold and sweet. So Sunil is having an ice cream. So for ice cream, it means it is a thing. So it is orange in color and it is cold and sweet because it's a thing. Okay, so for thing we are generally using it. Mohan do like mangoes, means suppose I am asking Mohan, do you like mangoes? So this is the second person, so you pronoun should be used here. Now can have the mango I am cutting now. So it is talking to Mohan. So for you can have the mango means you can have the mango I am cutting now. So I am talking to Mohan also, and Mohan is the second person, so you can have the mango. Okay, now the next fill in the blank is, look at the peacocks have such a colorful tails. So for peacocks, they. Why the word they is used? Why it is not used? Because plural is there. Peacocks means many peacocks, and for many we are generally using they. Okay, so it is a plural word, That's why they have such a colorful tails. So in this way you have to solve this exercise. So let us see the next sentence. Okay, that is sentence number 5, 6. Okay, so see, these are the sentences that we have to see. Number 5, my mother is in the garden, is watering the plants. So my mother is in the garden, and for mother she is a female. Okay, for that I am going to use the word she. Okay, now Mahesh and Sonam, these are the two people. Okay, two person. Mahesh and Sonam should go to bed. Means they should go to bed. Obviously, see, no, you should go to bed because I am talking. Okay, Mahesh and Sonam, you should go to bed. You should not be naughty and stay up late. Okay, so you, here word we are going to use. Mahesh and suppose the person is talking, like your mother is talking or father is talking, like that. So they are talking to the Mahesh and Sonam. So these are the second person. So for second person, means what is meant by first person? I am going to explain you. First person means those are talking. Now I am talking, so I am the first person. Now you are the second person. Means students, you, I am talking to you. So you are the second person. Why? Because I am talking to you. I am explaining this video to you. Okay, I am talking to you indirectly. So you are the second person. And if I am talking about the any teacher, any third person, okay, so that is the third person. Okay, when about whom we are talking, that is the third person. Okay, and to whom I am talking, that is the second person, and those who is talking, that is the first person. Okay, so Mahesh and Sonam, they are the second person. Okay, so you should go to bed and you should not be naughty and stay up late. So I hope you understood how to solve this exercise. So in this way you have to watch the video carefully. Okay children, you have to solve this exercise properly. Okay, so I hope you understood this lesson. Okay, the lesson number 11. Okay, and the name of the lesson is I, me, I, you, he, she, it. Okay, so these are the pronouns, and pronouns are the words which we generally use instead of nouns. Okay, so take care of you, stay home, stay safe. Bye children, have a nice day.